Why is that necessary?
Okay, I can explain the fuel energy charge.
One at a time. Yes.
And the fuel energy charge is not fuel in the. It's not only fuel in the normal sense that you know it. We have thermal generation plants which run on diesel and heavy fuel oil. We have geothermal plants where there's also have a fuel, and the fuel is steam. If you go to Olkaria today, if you go to Menengai, where GDC is operating, GDC sells the steam to an independent power producer. So when, as the MD of Kenya Power was saying, when you look at your energy mix, you have your geothermal, you have your hydro, you have your thermals, and your thermal costs are then, the fuel cost is then amortized across all our bills.
Okay.
So that is what the fuel cost is.
And then the EPRA charge, there's 11 shillings. What is that for?
Yes, that is 8 cents per kilowatt hour to allow us as the regulator to then regulate the sector to ensure that there's order.
So we are paying you for your services?
Yes, that is correct.
Bwana Kiptoo, tumeshuhudia mvua nyingi sana kipindi ambacho kimepita. Na kwa hiyo inamaanisha kwamba maji ni mengi nchini. Na tunajua kwamba maji yanatumika katika kuzalisha pia nguvu za umeme. Je, kwa maana hiyo tunatarajia kwamba bili zetu zitashuka?
Zimeshuka. Ukiangalia the last 3 months, bei ya stima imeenda chini on 2 factors. One, last month dispatch ya hydro ilikuwa 17%. This month it was 24%. Lakini pia kuna wind energy. There is a inverse relationship between rain